Don't touch my hair.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. My hair is back. My natural hair, my puff, my curls, my kinky curls are back. I missed my hair so much. Now I do like the protective style. I'll protective style for about a month, but this time around I did go and stretch it out to about a month and a half to 2 months, all right? And I just couldn't take it no more. I was like, no. I miss my natural hair. I miss my curls. I miss styling it. So I was like, let me take my hair out now. Now I do take care of my hair while it is under protective style, but I actually like wearing my hair out. I always hear naturals say, I don't know how you do it. I can't style my hair. I don't know. I don't have time, but whatever. I love doing it, all right? So when you see me protective style, just know that it won't be for more than 2 months, all right? I can't go beyond 2 months without, you know, styling and, I don't know, wearing my hair. You know, I just like actually wearing my natural hair. Alright, so before we get into how I got this puff, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for, y'all? Come on, let me give you 5 seconds if you're not subscribed yet, okay? Alright, good. So now that that's taken care of, if you want to see exactly what I did to achieve this high puff and the curls and the coils and all that, keep on watching. Alright guys, I did wash my hair and I did a hot oil treatment. I have a video on how I do my hot oil treatment. I will leave it on the screen and also in my description box. Alright, so as my leave-in today, I'm going to use Lotta Body 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream. I absolutely love this because it also serves as a heat protectant. And I will be blow drying my hair with this 5-in-1 style dryer. And I will leave that link in my description box as well because I did a review on that blow dryer. Alright, so I am just going to section my hair and work section by section as I blow dry my hair on cool setting. All right, so first let me apply the leave-in conditioner all over, and I do like to apply a generous amount of this because even though my blow dryer is going to be on the cool setting, I just want to make sure that I don't get any heat damage. So I like to go in with my leave-in conditioner. All right, making sure that all my strands are coated with the leave-in conditioner from Lotta Body, and then I'm going to start with this back section right here and then start blow drying the back section. Again, make sure it's on cool setting. I'm terrified of heat damage, but I find that when I blow dry my hair on the cool setting, my hair never gets damaged or anything like that. So I love this 5-in-1 dryer. Just gonna go section by section. And I'm not gonna like make my hair bone straight. I just get it straight enough, all right, where I don't have to worry about it not being dry the next day, all right? And I'm just making sure to go in and make sure my roots are also sort of dry. So I say right now my hair is like at 90% dry. Next, I'm going to go in with this Moisture Complex Form Curls from the Cashmere and Caviar line. And of course, I am going to seal my hair with Blue Magic. And this is also going to be my styling product. And what I love about the Blue Magic is that not only does it seal my hair, because it's like so thick, I don't have to use a product to style my hair. I use it as my my sealant and also as my styler. I don't have to use another product after the Blue Magic in order for my curls to pop. The Blue Magic does it all, y'all. If you guys are still not convinced of this, I don't know what else to tell you. Like, it's just bomb for me anyway, okay? And in case you didn't know, I do have 4C type hair. And I'm just going to do the same in this section here. Moisturize and then seal with the Blue Magic. And then 2-strand twist my hair before I Bantu knot. Now, I do my Bantu knots a little different. I like to 2-strand first and then twist the hair around itself. I do have a video on Bantu knots. You can check out my description box, and I'll also leave it on the screen as well. And I do like to do my Bantu knots a little smaller because I feel like my curls will last longer throughout the week. I won't have to go in and restyle my hair. Next, I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil and just give my scalp some love. Just to make sure that my scalp is as refreshed and moisturized as the rest of my hair. All right, then going in and giving my scalp a little massage. Get that blood flowing, okay? And then I'm just going to tie my hair up with this scarf from Lotta Body. And just make sure it's not too tight, okay? And then I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the takedown. All right, I'm back and my face is beat. All right. I don't know why I did that, but anyway, I'm going to take the scarf off and then start undoing my Bantu knots. And while I am taking my Bantu knots out, I am also separating the hair. I find that this is easier for me so that I don't skip any sections. So while I'm doing this, I'm making sure not to create too much frizz. A little frizz is fine, but you don't want too much frizz so that it doesn't ruin the hairstyle. Y'all know how I do. I'm just going to go in section. I'm going to go in each section and take them down, take the knots down and also separate. Next, I'm going to take my handy dandy hair pick and start to fluff and mold my hair into the shape that I want it to be. And taking my stocking band and tie my hair up in a high puff. Nothing works better than this stocking band, y'all. I've tried it all, and I think this is the best method for me. All right, and then I'm going to go in with my hair pick and just keep on fluffing because I want my hair to be a little bigger. And guys, this is day 1 hair. So by day 3, my hair is going to reach its full potential. All right, I'm going to take this edge control from Bella Beauty, and I'm just going to lay down those edges. I like to set my edges for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to take a scarf and then, you know, just put it on around the edges for about 10 minutes. And this works for me. So yeah. All right, so I'm back in 10 minutes, taking off the scarf, and my edges are set, and it'll lay there like that for the rest of the day, y'all, literally. So I really love this edge control. It's my favorite. I haven't found anything that compares to it. I'll also leave that in the description box. And I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of those curls. So you see, like, I love the Bantu knots. The way the curls come out with this method is just absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. My favorite. And let me just show you guys the back. I'm still fluffing and molding my hair until I get the desired style. Yes, right now I'm feeling myself, y'all. And that's it, guys. This is how I've been achieving my high puff, y'all. Nothing's really changed. I still love that blue magic. It's not going anywhere. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.